What is prime factorization? Come on, let's take a look together. Prime factorization is simply rewriting a number as a product of its prime factors. For example, 12 can be rewritten as 2 squared times 3. 2 squared gives us 4, and 4 times 3 gives us 12. So that prime factorization really just represents the original number. So the real question now is, how can you determine what the prime factorization of a number is? Well, this can be done in 2 simple steps. First up, create a factor tree and circle all of the prime factors. And then second, just rewrite the expression as a product starting with the smallest factor. Here, let's do an example together. Let's take a look at the number 24. To get started, let's create 2 branches and think about what numbers factor and multiply to 24. Let's go with 6 times 4, but honestly, any factors of the number will get the job done. But notice, 6 and 4 are not prime, so we gotta keep going. Let's create 2 more branches for each number. With 6, we have factors of 2 and 3. Those are prime, so let's circle them. And with 4, we have 1 pair of 2, which are also prime, so let's circle those as well, and we're done with step number 1. For the second step, we need to rewrite 24 as a product. Well, 2 is our smallest factor, and we have 3 copies of them that are multiplying together, which can be represented as 2 to the 3rd power, also known as 2 cubed. And then we have just 1 factor of 3. So the prime factorization of 24 is simply 2 cubed times 3. Let's turn up the heat just a bit and solve a more challenging problem. Let's take a look at the number 32. Well, 32 is even, so I know 2 goes into it. Well, 2 times 16 will give us 32. 2 is prime, so circle it. Well, 16 is a perfect square. 4 squared, or 4 times 4, gives us 16. So let's put those factors down, but those are not prime. So we gotta keep going. Well, for each of the 4s, we have 2 pairs of 2s. And now let's circle all of them. And check this out, for 32, notice that all of the prime factors of it are simply just 2. And here, if we count all of the circles, we have 5 copies of 2. So 32 can be represented as 2 raised to the 5th power. And there we go. Well, I hope you guys learned a thing or two about prime factorization. If this video was at all helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys next time.